There is nothing worse than sitting in the audience listening to a speaker read their speech. I am always shocked when presenters go verbatim from a script or have to refer to their notes every 15 seconds. I am not suggesting that you memorize your entire talk, but you should know your material well enough that your notes or your PowerPoint slides are used to keep you on your track, not used as the centerpiece of your presentation. The thought of memorization makes people nervous. They feel that it will be too difficult or that they will fail in their efforts and be alone on stage with no brain wave activity. Nobody wants to forget their way when giving a speech, and thus they grab hold of notes and never let it go. The reality is that you do not need to memorize everything in your presentation to have that natural delivery style and flow. To be effective, you should put your attention into memorizing the opening, the closing, and your signature stories. When you begin speaking, you will have only about a minute to gain the attention of the audience. If you have a strong opening and deliver it with confidence and style, you will capture their interest and create a level of expectation. The same is true with your conclusion. The audience will remember you most for your closing remarks and call to action than for any other part of your talk. Hit them with a strong and energetic final and finale, and you will have more of an impact than if you just read your way to the end. Having signature stories is always a powerful way to impact your audience. These are stories that are relevant to your topic and that you have memorized and practiced over time so that you can deliver them with captivating poise. Many novice speakers worry about telling the same stories in subsequent presentations as they fear that someone in the audience will have heard them before. The reality is that you will rarely have too many repeat audience members at your speeches. Put the time into developing and memorizing your beginning, ending, and signature stories, and do not refer to your notes or slides while delivering these forceful flashes of fancy. Look right into the eyes of the audience and make the connection with their hearts. If you do this correctly, you can use notes throughout the rest of your time on the stage, and most people will think you have memorized the entire presentation. Thank you and see you in the next video.